Welcome to my review of FormSwift, a website designed to simplify the process of creating, editing, and signing legal documents. When you first visit FormSwift's homepage, you'll notice a clean and user-friendly interface. The platform offers a wide array of templates for personal, business, and legal needs, ranging from resumes and business plans to rental agreements and non-disclosure agreements. One of the first features you'll likely explore is their document editor. This tool allows users to customize any template by adding or removing sections, making it flexible and suitable for various situations. Once you've selected a template, the step-by-step process guides you through filling out the required fields. For instance, if you're creating a rental agreement, FormSwift prompts you to input specific details like the landlord's name, tenant's name, property address, and rental terms. The platform's intuitive design ensures that even those with minimal technical skills can navigate it with ease. Another standout feature of FormSwift is the e-signature functionality. Users can electronically sign their documents directly on the platform, streamlining the process and saving time. This is especially beneficial for remote transactions, where in-person signatures aren't feasible. FormSwift offers both free and premium options. While some templates are accessible without charge, a subscription unlocks unlimited access to all forms and tools. This pricing model is advantageous for frequent users who require various types of documents. Additionally, the platform provides a free trial, allowing new users to explore its capabilities before committing to a paid plan. Security is another area where FormSwift excels. They implement strong data protection measures, ensuring that your personal and business information remains confidential. This is crucial when dealing with sensitive legal documents. Customer support is readily available through email and a comprehensive FAQ section, making it easy to resolve any issues you might encounter. Their responsiveness and clear guidance further enhance the user experience. Overall, FormSwift is a reliable and efficient tool for individuals and businesses alike. Whether you need to draft a quick letter or prepare complex contracts, this platform offers a comprehensive solution. If you're considering using FormSwift, I recommend giving it a try, especially with their free trial option. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more insightful reviews and tutorials.